Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to be taking a close-up look at the AWE Switchpath Exhaust for the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. Now this Jeep already sounds wicked from the factory, but AWE, as usual, is going to take that to a whole nother level. But because it's a Switchpath, it's got the valves to give you that quiet mode when you need it. Now we also got some great sound recordings to show you the sound comparison for the stock quiet and loud mode, as well as the Switchpath quiet and loud mode, so you can see exactly how that's going to sound on your Wrangler 392. And we're going to be making a separate step-by-step how-to installation guide video as well, and we'll link to that in the description. Now, as usual, we're going to put a link to this product in the description. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com. So if you find this video helpful, please click that link and shop with us, because that's what supports what we do here, helps us make videos like this for you. And over there, you can also reach us on live chat or call us anytime toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. And we love helping our customers with their build projects. Now, AWE is one of our favorite brands for exhaust, just simply because of the amount of time and effort they put into research and development and making every single exhaust for every single application sound excellent. And it does take time to tune that exactly the way you want to sound it. And they always come out with systems that are going to sound deep and aggressive, not too raspy and never drony, and all of that matters. And plus, all of their products are designed and manufactured in the United States with the best quality materials that you can get your hands on. And that is really important and certainly puts a premium on the price point over average. But they're not the most expensive brand in the industry, but the quality is absolutely at the top end of that spectrum. And that really matters on a Rubicon as well, because you're going to put this thing in some nasty conditions. You want to make sure that these materials are going to stand up to some of the nastiest conditions out there. So let's start with the basics. The entire system is CNC cut, mandrel bent, US sourced T304 stainless steel. Now I know that's a lot of stuff in there, but that just means that it is the best quality materials, and it is tough too. This is a wall thickness of 0.065 inches, which that means it is beefy. That's not your typical thin steel that you might find in some other competitors' products. And that's going to stand up to the punishment, especially on a Wrangler. Again, you're going to be putting it in some nasty situations. And of course, using materials of this grade is not cheap, but it is going to result in a top level quality like this, and it is a full dual 3-inch catback exhaust system. The dual 3-inch pipes are going to come down first into an H-pipe design. Now, versus an X-pipe design, this is going to make sure you get a deep tone and not have that kind of raspy, racy sound that you might find with an X-pipe. That's great on something like maybe a Mustang or a V8 sports car, but on a Wrangler, you're going to want that deep, aggressive tone. And so the H-pipe's going to help with getting that sound, and that's going to then go down into these resonators on each pipe. And those resonators are going to help tune that sound a little bit more. It's going to help eliminate that raspiness and maximize that deep tone while eliminating harshness. Each of these pipes then find their way down into these OEM grade valve assemblies. Now, the important point to note here about these valves is that this is going to help you retain that OEM functionality on that button in the cab for having a loud mode and a quiet mode. And what these things do is they actually route the path of the exhaust either through the muffler, where it's going to have a reduced sound, or into a more straight pipe setup that's really going to let your 392 speak its mind. And it choosing the direction of where those exhaust gases are going to go is how the system gets its name, Switchpath. And whichever way it's going to route those gases, you've got this lightweight muffler at the back of the system that features AWE's no drone technology. That's to help make sure that you don't get that irritating drone at highway speeds when you're cruising. Now that's also got a beautiful laser etched AWE logo, and from there the gases are going to go down into this quad tip exhaust, and that is their high clearance Bashguard tips. Now this is a Wrangler after all, so they know that you're going to be taking this thing into some serious off-road situations. You don't want tips hanging out the back that could get hung up on obstacles, so these are going to sit nicely up under the bumper and shoot just down from under the bumper. And they feature the Bashguard ring from AWE. Now what that is a 0.125 thickness steel ring that's going to resist any bashes on obstacles on the trail, so that those tips don't crush or ovalize. They're going to stay nice and tough no matter what you hit them on. And of course, since you bought a Wrangler 392, I know there is no such thing as enough horsepower to you. So this thing is going to give you a gain of about 9 horsepower and 5 pound-feet of torque. And of course, it bolts right up in place of your existing exhaust system with no cutting, no fabrication, installation necessary, and it is a really easy install. We'll actually show you how to do that in a separate video that will link from the description. I will also be putting a link to this system in the description of the video, and right here, that link will take you to Motoroso.com, where if you found this video helpful, please do shop with us. It supports what we do here. Now, we took some great sound recordings of the stock exhaust. We're going to go get this system installed on our friend Kevin's Wrangler 392. Then we're going to take it out for some exhaust recordings of the sound in both the quiet mode and the loud mode. And we're going to jump right into that right now. If you want to see the installation process, check out the other video. As you can see, this exhaust sounds great. So if you'd like to buy it, I'll put a link to it right here, as well as in the description of this video. That link will take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can purchase this from our website. And if you found this video helpful, if you like those sound recordings we put all that effort into, please shop with us. It really does help support what we do here, and we hope you appreciate it. Now, we've also got live chat on our website, and you can call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. We love helping our customers with their build projects. And if you're looking for some other great ideas and you want some LED lighting for your Wrangler JL, check out this video over here for the A-pillar lighting on that Wrangler, as well as some of the other videos on our channel featuring all the different lighting options for the Wrangler JL and JT. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos, and we thank you for watching.